Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm just going to show a very short demo of how you can style your visualizations or your pivot charts so that they have a look and feel that is more appealing, a look and feel that is presentable. Let's uh, let's see how we can do that. So the first thing that you need to do is select your chart, your pivot chart. While it is selected like that, you'll see on the menu here the pivot chart tools group appears here, and under design, if you click on design, you'll see that you have many chart styles that are presented to you there. Okay, so you can choose a chart style that suits what you want. I can choose this dark chart style, and it changes the style of my chart. I can choose on any of these. I've got many options to choose from. Let's say I just choose on this one here, the dark themed style. I'll choose on that one, and if I need to add or to change the colors of my chart, I have the change colors option that I have here under chart quick colors. I can click on there and I can change the color palette itself. Okay, I can change it to any color palette that I want here. That and just bear in mind that you need to change it, or you need to have it in a color palette that is visible, that will make the data visible to the reader, because remember, you are creating a visualization to share with consumers of your reports, so you need to have a color palette that is visible. So in my case, this color palette that I have here is quite visible, so I'll leave it as that. All right, and if I need to add any chart elements, any elements to my chart here, I have the add chart element option here on my tools bar. If I click there, I would be able to choose anything that I need there. I need the chart title. Do I need it or not? If I say none, it's going to remove the chart title. If I say above the chart, if I say centered, or I can have more chart titles here, and I can be able to do more on my chart. Okay, if I want the labeling, if I don't want any labels, I can remove the labels. If I want the labels there, if I want the labels inside, I want the labels outside the pie chart, or I can have them as data callouts like that. That's also possible. I think I'll choose this one, the data callout. I'll choose it. I'll choose that one. This looks quite visible for me. So that's my first pivot chart done. I'll go to my next pivot chart. I want to style this one again. Under design, I'll choose a style that is a bit more visible, like this one. It's quite visible. And under chart elements, I choose what else I want to show here. If I want to show no legend keys with legend keys, if I want to show the data table under there, I'll be able to show the data table if I choose on data table there. The labels, I want them or I don't want them. So if I want the labels there to show the actual value that is being represented by each bar, I just say I want the data labels showing, and I choose where these labels will appear. If I want them to appear inside the bar, I go there. If I want them outside the bar, I go there. I think this one is more visible. The data call out again, it's showing that it's quite more visible, but probably I'll go with this one this time, the outside end. So my data labels are showing there. I'll go to the next one. This one is very plain again. I'll choose a style that is appealing, that is more visible. under design there. I think I'll choose this one. This one has got data labels already, so I'll leave it as is, and I'll go to the next one. This pie chart again, I'll choose a different style there. I'll choose a different style, not this one. I'll look for another one. Maybe I'll go for this one again, the dark themed. And if I need to change any elements about this, I will go to my data labels. How do I want my data labels showing? I want them again as call out, like that. So that's how I can style my charts, and they are all ready for the dashboard. So I'm going to create a dashboard using these pivot charts in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.